Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to explore Facebook group member in Excel. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open Chrome browser, then type here prospect and scroll down. Then you will find this extension email extractor for AV group. Click on it and now click on add Chrome. Here showing remove from Chrome because I have already added this extension on my browser. When you install this extension on your browser, then you have to click here and first team, and you have to sign up in this prospect website. So sign up and log in into your prospect account. After that, all you have to need, I'm going to open a Facebook group. Okay, as you can see, here is the group. So right now I'm going to export all these group members. Okay, first of all, I'm clicking on this extension icon here, and now I am clicking on this click on to switch, and after that I am clicking on start scraping, and here is showing 485 people and scraping is started. Please wait, do not click anywhere or change the tab. And after scraping, you have to click on this link here, and this link redirect in prospects official website. After that, scroll down and here you will find your data. So here is my data is processing now. It will take some time depending on how many members in a group, so let's wait. And here we can see this is completed, and now click on uncrop data with mail, and now click on download, and here we can see prospects. It be scrubber. This is a CSV file. All these members have been exported in this CSV file. I don't have Microsoft Excel in my computer, so I can show you by opening this file. So this is the way how you can explore Facebook group member in Excel. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.